we are getting you an exclusive report from Patna where Republic's team has conducted an investigation during which it was emerged that spurious liquor was being sold in 6 areas in which the youth and the women are also actively involved. The investigative report raises big questions on the government's decision to prohibit liquor in the state. Let's take a look at this exclusive investigation.
In 2016, the Nitish Kumar-led government in Bihar passed the liquor prohibition law. The move drew ire from the opposition parties, calling the law as draconian. However, the Bihar government proceeded with its decision. 5 years on, Republic TV and its sting operation across 6 locations in Bihar have found that bootlegging still rages on.
अंग्रेजी भी कोई मिल जाएगा,
अंग्रेजी भी मिल जाएगा।
हाँ मिल जाएगा।
कोई ब्रांड बोलेंगे तो मिल जाएगा। IBU भी मिल जाएगा।
IBU नहीं मिलेगा।
तो कौन सा ब्रांड होगा?
ललका।
अरे इम्पेरियल ब्लू होता है, कोई लोग उतना नहीं समझ पाए हैं।
भैया
पढ़ल नहीं है तो अरे अंग्रेजी है, ओके में RS हो सकता है,
है कितना होगा ये
वाला? 1 गिलास होगा।
1 गिलास नहीं, हम कह रहे हैं कि उसमें कितना होगा स्टॉक में? आपके पास कितना स्टॉक में कितना होगा?
गिलास से 1 गिलास होगा।
जो है ना आधा लीटर के हिसाब से।
In this Republic sting operation from the bus terminal in Patna, a woman can be seen bringing liquor in a black plastic bag and hands it over to a young bootlegger. A similar situation could be seen near the Rajendra Nagar police chowki, where the bootlegger, unaware of Republic's spy camera, also offered delivery service.
90 ग्रीन का 90 होगा सर, हरा रहेगा, ऑल हैबिट है, देखिए आपको इसका मिलेगा, आगे नहीं करते।
रोटी का पैकेट मिलेगा, रोटी का पैकेट मिलेगा।
रोटी अलग चीज़ हो गया, रोटी 200, 300।
The bootlegger then heads off to a location to collect liquor and returns with 2 liquor cans packed in fruity and coke-like cans.
भाई सुनो ना, अगर होम डिलीवरी है तो
नंबर मेरा दे दीजिए।
नंबर है, अभी आना में थोड़ा डर लगता है ना। उसमें क्या है कि
नंबर बोलो भाई।
9386 21
Next, Team Republic's investigation into the Bihar bootlegging racket reached its 3rd location, Kankar Bagh, where a youth can be seen openly taking orders for liquor which ranges anywhere between Rs 300 to 400 for a can, the size of a small Tetra pack.
मिल जाएगा 300।
और इसमें
रोटी बोले ना ऐड किया हम,
रोटी में है। और कोई
हाफ मिलेगा IB का। डुप्लीकेट ना मिलेगा भैया, नंबर ले लीजिए, डुप्लीकेट बोलिएगा क्यों मंगा, बोलिएगा क्यों पर मंगा।
रेगुलर अगर चाहिए
रेगुलर कैसे बहुत कावा लगता है।
उसको रेगुलर चाहिए तो फिर होम डिलीवरी हो जाएगा।
हम कहाँ काटपोल है,
मंचिया घंटा है ना, मंचिया लेना पड़ेगा।
In Rajendra Nagar, Republic sting cameras caught another young bootlegger, revealing how boxes of liquor are smuggled to bootleggers in the area.
कहीं नहीं मिलेगा इतना दूर में, खास करके अभी कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा जी।
कहीं नहीं,
कहीं नहीं जब बोलते नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं मिलेगा। माल यहाँ पर सब एक ही है। यहाँ पे जैसे कि वो गाड़ी आता है, ठीक है, उसमें में से 5 पेटी 2 पेटी 1 पेटी कोई लेता है, ठीक है, वही बात होता है बियर।
और क्या दारू में कौन?
मेरे पास एक बोतल है, फ्रूटी होगा, फ्रूटी 250 रुपया, बोतल 900 रुपया।
बोतल 900 रुपये, फ्रूटी 200 रुपये का मिलता था। सिटी में तो बेचता है।
तो सिटी में डी वाला माल तो हम लोग नहीं बेचते, डी वाला मेरे पास 200 रुपये वाला है, फ्रूटी मंगवा दें। 200 वाला फ्रूटी हो गया, लीजिएगा। 200 वाला फ्रूटी भी है, लीजिएगा। 90 नहीं होगा। 90 मिलेगा तो 90 150 रुपये मिलेगा। 90
काम करके निकल लेते हैं, एक ठो फ्रूटी ले लेते हैं।
हम डिलीवरी भी करते हैं, ये नहीं कि एक दिन का काम है।
घरों पहुंचा देंगे
जी बिल्कुल।
अब वही रेट की उससे ज़्यादा है।
अरे आज भर या कल भर के लिए मेरे साथ रहेगा, नहीं तो फिर उसके बाद वही चीज़ रहेगा। हमारा 24 घंटा मेरे पास धंधा अवेलेबल रहेगा।
रात में आवे मिल जाएगा।
अरे 24 घंटा मरवा दे दो ना। 97 का धंधा नहीं है।
97
71 देखिए ओरिजिनल गड्डी देख लीजिए, बढ़िया।
कहाँ का है? कहाँ वाला है?
कहाँ से आता है? आप पढ़े लेकिन आप देखिए।
यूपी में उत्तर प्रदेश। चलिए चलो।
In Mandiri, this bootlegger can be heard saying that how he bailed his son, a bootlegger, for a bribe of 40,000 rupees. Listen in to this man exposing the police's alleged role to Republic Sting cameras.
परसों भाई जब लिया है ना, पकड़ लिया भाई तो कैसे पैसा छुटा दिए।
पैसा लिया हुआ?
पैसा तो लेवे करता है भाई, तो पैसा नहीं लेता है, फिर भी कोई उपाय नहीं।
कितना लिया?
भाई 40,000 दिए तो छोड़ दिया।
Watch how this racket runs all the way to near Bihar Health Minister's residence, where Team Republic caught on tape a woman bootlegger offering to sell various brands of liquor.
बीरा बम है, फादर है, अभी 2 को माल आ रहा है।
अभी आ रहा है, अभी कुछ नहीं है।
अरे बाबू नहीं है, पैसा न दीजिएगा।
Recently, 40 people lost their lives to spurious liquor in huge tragedy in Gopalganj, Samastipur and West Champaran district, causing a huge embarrassment to Nitish Kumar government, following which the government ordered for stricter police raids. But in a seemingly desperate attempt to save face, the police did not spare wedding ceremonies to the extent that one of the bride's room was raided in a hotel in Patna recently in the search for liquor. A parallelized liquor prohibition law, black marketing of liquor, rising bootlegging among youth, to the police's hit and miss action. The Republic Sting operation exposes the bootlegging racket across 6 locations in Patna alone. A larger investigation will likely to open the Pandora's box.
I'm here at one of the places in Patna. This is called Rajendra Nagar area, and this particular area where I'm reporting from right now is supposed to be the hotbed of sale and purchase of liquor. We have stung from different localities of Patna, and where young boys, male, female, are even selling the liquor.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Now that is a very shocking and revealing sting done from the heart of the capital of Bihar. I have our editor, Special Projects, Prakash Singh, my senior colleague, joining us. Prakash, 6 years ago when Nitish Kumar came to power as part of the Mahagathbandhan, prohibition was one of his main poll planks, and at that time it was stated that the punishment for violating prohibition would be very severe. But 6 years on, with spurious liquor deaths and the availability of liquor so easily in the heart of the capital of the capital city of Bihar, what does Nitish Kumar have to say for himself? What does the government have to say for himself? Over to you, Prakash. Tell us more about this sting.
Well, Ankit, this reveals the fact that Nitish Kumar's pet project of prohibition is a complete failure in Bihar, and bootlegging is on. Liquor mafia are ruling the roost. They are earning money. They are getting elected into the panchayat bodies. Now, we wanted to show it to Mr. Nitish Kumar that the day before yesterday, a Bharat party was raided at 30 different locations and they could not find liquor there. And even the bride was harassed to an extent. Their washroom was checked, their wardrobes were checked, and it was very embarrassing as far as Bihar is concerned. So we wanted to do a reality check that the raids should not be conducted at those places, but at places where liquor are being sold. And in the heart of Patna, we visited at 6 different locations where you can see that liquor bottles are being supplied, and they're saying that it's not a duplicate liquor. And in Tetra pack of Fruity, they are selling it at exorbitant price. And let me tell you, Ankit, it's a parallel economy that has been flourishing in Bihar for the past 5-6 years to the tune of 10,000 crores, and causing huge damage and loss to the exchequer as well. We at Republic are not questioning the prohibition laws. I, for myself, who have done the sting operation, I haven't consumed liquor till date in my life. So the main modus operandi of this sting operation is to show it to Nitish Kumar that it's a complete failure. Your policemen who are supposed to enforce the prohibition laws are making money out of it. They are hand in glove with the liquor mafia. It's a nexus that is going on. And in one of the sting, one of the bootlegger clearly says that his son was caught selling liquor a couple of days back, and he got him rescued by paying 40,000 rupees. And how does this entire liquor racket operates is that Bihar is surrounded by 3 states, that is Jharkhand, UP, Bengal, as well as Nepal, and there is a porous border area, and in connivance with the police, the liquor mafia are flourishing and they are entering into the electoral fray. Many of the panchayat, we have seen that many people have got elected into the panchayat bodies by spending a lot of money, and that's a very serious trend, because in 80s and 90s what we saw in Bihar was the gun mafias entered into politics. Now the liquor mafias are also into, and Nitish Kumar should realize this. We are not asking about rolling back the decision like Prime Minister did with the farm laws, but yes, your police is hand in glove, and that's what we wanted to show it to Mr. Nitish Kumar, that the youths of the state are into this liquor trade. They have left studies because it is easy money that they are earning here. And Nitish Kumar should realize this, that it's a complete failure. If you want to make it more stringent, and then only it is possible, because in America they could not succeed and they had to repeal the prohibition bill despite the fact that they have all the wherewithal in US.